Hi, I am Teacher Paul. Today we are talking about body parts. Are you ready? Let's go. What body part is this? It is my head. What body part is this? It is my mouth. What body part is this? It is my shoulder. What body part is this? It is my foot. What body part is this? It is my throat. What body part is this? It is my eye. What body part is this? It is my ear. What body part is this? It is my nose. Ooh. What body part is this? It is my leg. Now it is your turn to practice. Click the link below. Goodbye.